Happy International Creativity Day, April 21, 2025. We need imagination and creativity these days. We're living through such cruel times. But we can imagine and fight for a better way. I sing and talk about the value of and the need for continued creativity in our lives in my show called Imagine This, songs and stories that celebrate our creative souls. I created this show especially for people who are over 55, but the message really is for everyone. In the words of Albert Einstein, imagination is more important than knowledge, for knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world. My next performance of Imagine This is in Montreal at the Atwater Library on May 15th at 12:30. Everyone is welcome. I hope you'll join me.